Yo! Yo, little dude. Do you hear me? Yo! You're like a few steps away, bro. I could just like grab you. Kidnap you. Can I kidnap you, please? You're so cute. I could just eat you. Are you trying to walk away from me? Are you trying to get into the pool? You're stupid. Well, dude, there's a screen. There's a screen thing. You can't get in, you know? You know those little things? It's a screen. It's called screen.